Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Wendy from Xunwang, and today is our last video for show and action episodes. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the Deutsch connector from the housing. Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Wendy from Xunwang. So today is our final video about our show and action episodes. Today, before we started, I just want to tell you the Deutsch connector has a lot of little things inside the housing, not just simple as the weather pack and super seal. So before you start it, you need two different tools to remove the little tools inside the housing, and I can't wait to show you what it is. Let's do it. So once you finish your crimping of Deutsch connector, and it is going to be in your vehicle, and if you're using for a while and something start to be like disconnected or unstable, it means you need to change the terminal inside the housing. It could be many years. So first thing first, before we start it, you need two different tools to remove the terminals. So first things is going to be the removal tools, and the size is going to be gauge 20, because the wire gauge is for American wire gauge 20, which is 0.5 mm square. And the second tool is going to be the hook, because there's a little plastic thing inside the housing, and the plastic thing is for that the terminal is stable, it won't move. So first thing first, you open your housing. So it is the female side and it is the male side, and as you can see a little green things in there, it is the little tools to let the terminals being stable in a housing. And I'm just going to show you one wire. So let's start with the front one. So there's a little rubber here, so you also need to remove it. So you just pull in, and you pull, and your terminal is ready to change. So took your removal tool, and you can see there's a little sealing. So this circle is going to be hold the terminals, and the top of the circle is going to against the ceiling of the housing. So from the back against to the ceiling, so face down, and you just put into your housing and you pull. Simple as that. And it is the same as the male side, but before that you need to hook up a little green plastic inside. So you just hook. And same, you need to remove the rubber. And let the circle face down to against the ceiling of the housing. So same thing, pull in, and you push. It's easy. So that's how you remove your male and female terminals from the Deutsch connector. It is the way how you remove your terminals from the housing. And just right before we finish, I just want to thank you guys and appreciate it being follow me from the beginning to the end of the episode. So it is a very long journey. So once again, thank you. And if you haven't followed my Instagram or our Facebook page or even subscribe our YouTube, please do so. If you like my video, please like, share or even comment, and I will reply you as soon as possible. And Liquid Official will see you on the next episode.